standing up to 2.2 meters tall and weighing up to 1.5 tons. Can you imagine a creature of such massive size and strength? It's not a mythical beast, but the Shire horse, a giant breed that leaves anyone who sees it for the first time in awe. Although not commonly seen in sports or cuisine, the Shire horse holds a special place in the history and culture of many nations. But what makes them so fascinating? Let's uncover the intriguing facts behind this remarkable breed, a true symbol of power and wonder in the animal kingdom. Shire horses originate from England, particularly from the central and eastern regions of the country. This giant breed was developed during the medieval period when large war horses, known as great horses, were bred with local horses to create a powerful draft breed. The name Shire comes from the English counties where these horses were extensively bred and developed. Initially, Shire horses played a crucial role in agriculture, freight transportation, and military support, becoming an indispensable part of the economic and military life of that era. Shire horses are known as one of the largest horse breeds in the world, with an average height ranging from 1.7 to 1.9 meters at the shoulder and a weight between 901 200 kilograms. Some exceptional individuals can exceed 2 meters in height and weigh more than 1.5 tons. Their coat is typically thick and smooth, most commonly found in black, bay, and gray colors. A distinctive feature of the Shire horse is its long mane, bushy tail, and the long hair around its hooves, known as feathers, which help protect the legs from harsh weather and injuries while working. Some individuals also have white markings on their face and legs, giving them a majestic and powerful appearance. Despite their massive build, Shire horses are renowned for their calm, friendly, and easily trainable nature. They are intelligent, patient, and highly adaptable to various types of work. Thanks to their enduring strength, this breed has been primarily used for pulling carts, agricultural labor, and transporting goods. Before modern machinery became widespread, Shire horses were a crucial workforce in agriculture, assisting in plowing fields, hauling heavy loads, and even serving in the military. Today, they are commonly seen in exhibitions, traditional festivals, and historical events. Additionally, they are exported to many countries for crossbreeding to improve other horse breeds. Throughout the 20th century, the rapid development of agricultural machinery significantly reduced the demand for Shire horses. By the 1970s, their population had declined drastically, even facing the risk of extinction. Recognizing the importance of preservation, organizations such as the Shire Horse Society and the American Shire Horse Association launched various breeding and conservation programs to protect this breed. Thanks to these efforts, the Shire horse population gradually recovered, and today, they continue to be bred to preserve cultural heritage and serve commercial and tourism purposes. Caring for Shire horses requires ample space, a diet consisting of sufficient hay and grains, 30-50 liters of water per day, and 1-2 hours of exercise daily. Regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, deworming, hoof trimming, and coat and hoof care are essential to prevent diseases. Due to their susceptibility to obesity and arthritis, proper nutrition and controlled exercise are necessary. With their friendly and intelligent nature, they require early interaction and training to maximize their potential. Shire horses have an average lifespan of 25 to 30 years, which is relatively long compared to many other horse breeds. However, due to their enormous size, they are prone to certain health issues such as obesity, arthritis, and leg-related diseases. Proper nutrition and regular exercise play a vital role in maintaining their health and longevity. More than just a working horse breed, the Shire is a symbol of strength and endurance in British culture. These horses often appear in traditional festivals, exhibitions, and historical events, helping to honor England's heritage. In England, the homeland of the Shire horse, this breed frequently participates in weight-pulling competitions, where they demonstrate their immense power by pulling enormous loads. In 1924, at an exhibition in England, a pair of Shire horses set a record by pulling an estimated 45 tons, a remarkable testament to their extraordinary strength. These events not only celebrate the beauty and strength of this giant horse breed, but also play a crucial role in preserving cultural heritage and maintaining the tradition of draft horse use throughout human history. Today, Shire horses are primarily bred in England and the United States. In England, the estimated Shire horse population is around 1,500, while in the United States, the number stands at approximately 2,000. In Canada, however, this breed is far rarer, with fewer than 100 recorded individuals. Additionally, Shire horses can also be found in countries such as Australia, the Netherlands, and Germany, though their numbers remain quite limited. Despite once facing the threat of extinction, conservation efforts have helped the Shire horse recover and reaffirm its value. Beyond being a treasured cultural heritage, the Shire horse is a testament to the enduring bond between humans and animals over centuries. With its majestic appearance, extraordinary strength, and gentle nature, the Shire horse holds not only historical significance, but also stands as a symbol of resilience and perseverance in the animal kingdom.
Check out a special farm in Texas that raises cows with the world's longest horns, up to 9 feet long. But what makes these cows so special? And how do they get their giant horns? In this video, we explore the secrets behind those impressive horns and discover how this ranch generates such great value. The farm that raises the world's longest horned cows. Texas ranches are famous for raising Longhorn cows, a breed of cow characterized by their long and impressive horns. These cows originated in Spain and were brought to the Americas in the 16th century. Once an endangered breed, there are now more than 330,000 Longhorn cows raised on ranches across the United States. What makes Longhorn cows stand out is not only their extremely long horns, but also their gentle nature and ability to adapt to harsh climates. Their horns begin to grow when they are only 3 weeks old, and by the time they are 1 year old, they have reached half their maximum size. This feature not only makes them a unique symbol but also attracts a lot of attention from tourists, providing a stable source of income for the farms. Longhorn cow farms in Texas not only focus on growing meat but also preserving this breed as part of the cultural and historical heritage of this land. In addition, they also participate in beauty contests and exhibitions where Longhorn cows are honored for their unique beauty and qualities. At Longhorn cow farms in Texas, you will witness the perfect combination of tradition and modern technology in raising the breed of cow. These farms are typically large, with hundreds of acres, providing enough space for the cows to move freely and thrive. Some large farms can house hundreds of longhorns, while smaller farms maintain herds of 50 to 100 cows. The structure of Longhorn farms is specifically designed to suit the hot, dry climate of Texas. The barns are built with optimal ventilation and shade, helping the cows avoid the heat of the summer. Some places even burn straw or other materials to create smoke to repel insects and help the cows relax. The daily care routine on Longhorn farms begins with feeding. Longhorn cows are provided with fresh grass and supplements such as grains and vitamins. In the winter, when fresh grass is scarce, they are switched to pellets or hay to ensure adequate nutrition. Farmers also pay attention to supplementing minerals and vitamins to support the health and development of cows. Longhorn cows are usually raised from a young age until they reach the necessary weight and size for sale. The raising period can last from 18 to 24 months, depending on the purpose of raising and the conditions of raising. At birth, Longhorn cows weigh about 56 to 61 pounds, but they do not maintain that weight for long. Adult bulls can reach a weight of about 1,400 to 2,200 pounds, while cows weigh about 700 to 1,400 pounds. The height from hoof to shoulder can range from 4 to 5 feet. Bulls selected for breeding or competition are often raised longer to reach optimal maturity. One of the most interesting things about this breed is that you will not find two that are exactly the same color. They are unique. Why do Longhorn cows come in such a wide variety of colors and patterns? They can come in a variety of colors and patterns, from reddish brown to black, white, and even mixed colors like gold and gray. This diversity is largely the result of natural and selective breeding throughout the history of cow farming. Once Longhorn cows reach slaughter weight, they are taken to food processing facilities. This process includes health and meat quality checks before processing. Longhorn beef is processed according to food safety standards to ensure quality and hygiene before reaching consumers. In addition to meat, skin and other byproducts of Longhorn cow can also be used to make leather goods or other handicrafts. Raising Longhorn cows brings significant economic value to farmers. They not only generate income from the sale of meat and byproducts such as skin and horns, but are also regularly entered into exhibitions and competitions, helping to increase their commercial value and promote their image. Preserving and developing this breed of cow also contributes to preserving the cultural and historical heritage of Texas, bringing long-term benefits to the local community and economy. Are you impressed by the spectacular long horns of the cows in the video? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.